Hi, welcome back to my channel Maths Insights. In this video, we are going to solve some problems based on the concepts which we were discussed in the previous video on the topic called polynomials. In the previous video, we discussed what is meant by a polynomial, how many types of polynomials are there, what is zero of a polynomial, what is degree of polynomial. Everything is discussed in the previous video. You may refer that video for your understanding. Now, basing on those concepts, we are going to solve some problems for understanding those concepts. So, I am going to solve these 7 problems. First one is find the degree of the following polynomials. See, if you see the first question, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3, the degree of every term, if you observe, the degree of this term is 5 and the degree of this term is 4 and the degree of this term is 0. Why? Because you may write x power 0. So the highest degree of any term in the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. If you observe 5, 4, 0, 5 is the highest degree of an individual term, then that will become the degree of the given polynomial. So 5 is the degree of this polynomial. And coming to this one, here t is the variable, and its degree is only 1. Why? Because this is a constant and you may write it as root 3 into t power 0. Therefore, t power 1, t power 0. See, 1 is the highest degree of individual term. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 1. And coming to this one, 3 into x power 6 plus 6 into y cube minus 7. You have two variables here. Even though you have two variables, you have to take the highest degree of individual term. If you observe x power 6, y power 3 and minus into something. So this is x power 6. 6 is the highest degree of an individual term in the polynomial. Then that will become the degree of the polynomial. Those are the degrees of polynomials. Coming to the second question, which of the following are polynomials in one variable? Which of the following are polynomials? As per the definition of polynomial, the degree, the exponent of any variable in any polynomial should not be negative integer. It should be non-negative integer. If you observe the first one, all the degrees of all the terms are non-zeros and also non-negative integers. So this is a polynomial in one variable. Why? Because the variable involved in this polynomial is x. Similarly, if you observe the second question, 5 into root x plus x into root 5. See, this is the polynomial. See, you should not say polynomial. This is an expression containing root x. Root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. So it is not satisfying the definition of polynomial. Okay, 1 by 2 is not at all an integer. Therefore, this expression is not a polynomial. Coming to this one, x power 100 plus y power 100. This is a polynomial, of course. Why? Because the degrees of all the variables involved are non-negative integers. But what they are asking is, you have to find the polynomial involving only one variable. But here two variables have been involving. So this is also not a polynomial with single variable. Okay. Next, coming to third question, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. This is the classification of polynomials depending on their degrees. Okay. Linear means if the degree of the polynomial is 1, then that polynomial is said to be a linear polynomial. Quadratic means its degree should be 2 and cubic means its degree should be 3. Now coming to the questions, if we take the first one, this is 5x square plus x minus 7. Its degree is 2. Why? Because the highest degree of the variable is 2. That's why the degree of this polynomial is 2. Hence, this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay. And coming to the second one, x minus 1. The variable involved in this polynomial is x and its degree is 1. Therefore, this polynomial is said to be a linear polynomial. And also, if you see this 3 into p, if you consider p as a variable, the degree of p is 1. Therefore, this is also a linear polynomial. Coming to the fourth question. Find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 at x is equals to 0 and at x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, we will solve this problem. Fourth problem. We are giving a name to the polynomial. Let p of x is equals to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. This is the given polynomial. Now we are going to find the value of this polynomial when x is equals to 0. So we may write when x is equals to 0. Therefore, p of x will become p of 0. Why? Because you are substituting 0 in place of x, and in all places you have to substitute 0 for x. Therefore, 4 into 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. So, 4 into 0 square is 0 finally, minus 5 into 0 is also 0 plus 3. Therefore, the total value of this polynomial at x is equals to 0 is 3. Therefore, you may write p of 0 is equals to 3. Similarly, they are asking the value of the same polynomial when x is equals to 1 by 2. Now you are going to find p of 1 by 2. So 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. That is equals to 4 into, see, 1 square is 1 again, 2 square is 4 minus this is 5 by 2 plus 3. So if you cancel this 4 and 4, you will have 1 here. 1 plus 3 will become 4. 4 minus 5 by 2. If you take LCM for these two, you will get 2 as your LCM. 1 2s are 2 times 2 into 4 8. 8 minus 5, that is equals to 3 by 2. Therefore, p of 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2. These are the values of the given polynomials at particular values of the variables. Next, coming to the fifth question. What fifth question says? Find the zeros of the polynomials. They have given 3 polynomials, a, b, c. So we will find the zeros of those polynomials. In fifth, you are going to solve a. You know what is zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial is if you put a particular value for the variable involved in it, then you should get 0. Then that is called zero of the polynomial. So first question is f of x is equals to x plus 2. So we have to find the value of x for which the value of this polynomial will become 0. We will equal this polynomial to 0. Then we will find the value of x. Therefore, if x plus 2 should be 0, then what is x? X is equals to minus 2. That means if you put x is equals to minus 2 in this polynomial, you will get 0 as the value of this given polynomial. That's why you will say that x is equals to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equals to x plus 2. Similarly, if you see the second one, that means b, f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. So this value is to be 0. That means you have to equalize to 0 and we will find the value of x. Therefore, 2x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 3 by 2. That means if you replace x is equals to minus 3 by 2 in the given polynomial, you will get 0. You may observe that 2 into x value is minus 3 by 2 plus 3. See, you may cancel this 2 on 2, that is equals to minus 3 plus 3, that is equals to 0. Therefore, if you are putting x is equals to minus 3, then the value of this polynomial is becoming 0. That's why x is equals to minus 3 by 2 is said to be 0 of the polynomial. Similarly, f of x is equals to x square. See, this is the question number 3. F of x is equals to x square. See, this value should become 0. That means you have to equalize x square to 0 and then you will find the value of x. When x square is equals to 0, automatically x is equals to 0. That means x will repeat 2 times. Therefore, if you substitute x is equals to 0 in the given polynomial, then its value will become 0 and hence that is said to be the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, I think you are clear in this 5th problem. Now coming to the 6th one. See, 6th one is a different and important problem also. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then you have to find the value of a. It's very simple. I will make it simple. Let give a name to the given polynomial as f of x, that is equals to f of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, and they are saying 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Means if you place x is equals to 2, then its value will become 0. Therefore, as per the problem, f of 2 is equals to 0. That means when you place x is equals to 0, this total value will become 0. Therefore, 2 into 2 square, I am substituting x is equals to 2. Why? Because 2 is the 0. Therefore, x is equals to 2, then 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a is equals to 0. When you place x is equals to 2, then the value of this polynomial is becoming 0. Therefore, this is 2 square. 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 3 2 is 6 plus 7a is equals to 0. 4 2 is 8 minus 6 plus 7a is equals to 0. This is 8 minus 6, which is 2. 2 plus 7a is equals to 0. Therefore, 7a is equals to, when plus 2 goes to other side, it will become minus 2. Therefore, finally, you will get a value as minus 7 by 2. This is the value of a when 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. And also coming to the 7th question, which is same as 6th one, but you have to extend it and find the values of a and b. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, you have to find the values of a and b. It is also very simple. Let give a name to the given polynomial. They have already given that f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. They have given 2 zeros. We will take first 0. Given that okay, 0, that means in place of x, if you put 0, then the value of this polynomial is becoming, that is called 0. Okay, therefore I am placing 0 in place of x. 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equals to 0. Why? Because 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. So I am substituting 0 in place of x and equalizing the value of this polynomial to 0. Therefore, this is 0 and this is 0 plus 0 plus b, that is equals to b, that is equals to 0. Therefore the value of b is equals to 0. Okay, now I will take another 0, that is 1, and also f of 1 is equals to 0. Why? Because 1 is also 0 of the polynomial, means if you place x is equals to 1 in this polynomial, its value is becoming 0. Therefore 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equals to 0. Simply I am substituting x is equals to 1 in the given polynomial and equalizing to 0. Why? Because that is 0 of the polynomial. Therefore 1 cube is 1, 1 into 2 2, minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 3 3, plus a into 1 a plus b is equals to 0. See, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and I will bring that minus 1 to other side. Therefore a plus b is equals to plus 1. And you know already the value of b. Substitute b is equals to 0 in above. Therefore a plus 0 is equals to 1. Therefore a is equals to 1. Therefore the values of a is 1 and b is 0. This is the way how to calculate the values of a and b. If you like my video, please subscribe and share it to your friends. This gives me an immense pleasure and confidence to make more and more videos on important topics. We will meet in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.